For a second year in a row, COVID is causing headaches for holiday travelers across the U.S. New infections spreading like wildfire have sparked staffing shortages, resulting in long delays and cancellations. New COVID infections exceeded 200,000 a day over the past 2 weeks. That's up 69%. COVID deaths are on the rise, too. CBS's Lilia Luciano leads us off with a look at post-holiday travel. Lilia, good evening.
Good evening to you, Meg. It is another very busy travel day here at LAX. More than 200,000 people are expected to pass through today alone. A lot of those flyers unhappy with these delays and cancellations cutting into their vacation time. One woman was telling me if she had driven instead of flown, she would have made it to her destination yesterday, but she's still stuck here. COVID cancellations hit U.S. airports for the third straight day, with more than 700 flights grounded, stranding passengers on one of the busiest travel weekends of the year.
Cuts our vacation short, Christmas vacation. We have to be back for work. So it was supposed to be, a nice family vacation, meeting up with other family up there. So it's been upsetting.
What did you tell the airline?
That it was wrong, that they should have let us know earlier.
Thousands eager to take flight found themselves facing cancellations and delays as airlines had more sick calls and staffing shortages. Delta and United, with some of the most planes grounded, pointed to Omicron exposure as a cause. Major airports affected included New York's Kennedy, Atlanta, LAX, and Newark, New Jersey. But despite the cancellations, more than 3 million took to the skies since Christmas Eve.
There's been a lot of pent-up demand. People haven't seen their families and friends for 2 years. We're seeing a record number of passengers coming through since post-pandemic numbers.
The cruise industry is also facing COVID disruptions. At least 3 cruise lines had outbreaks on board in less than a week, with dozens of passengers testing positive and forced to quarantine.
They were cleaning and everything was sanitizing. I think personally they had too many people on board.
Travel blogger Austin Hamaway was on the MSC seashore. He and his friends fell ill while at sea.
Really, for me, affected me the most is not being able to see my family for Christmas.
And more cancellations are expected on domestic and also international flights, adding to that frustration and the anxiety for flyers with the fast-spreading Omicron variant is the difficulty to social distance. One passenger was telling me she felt very vulnerable seeing so many people not wearing masks through flights and also walking around terminals. Meg?
A lot of anxiety. Lilia Luciano, thank you.